What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Curve DAO token, which has pumped up in value 17% in the last 24 hours, making it just over 58 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value, or should you sell it if you're on a profit? Covering both buyers and a seller's point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall going into 2023. Is this a crypto worth investing into? And if so, should you invest into it now, or should you wait for it to drop back down in value? But before we get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 0.4% in the last 24 hours, and we can see Curve DAO is in the top gainers list. However, it's bugging out a little bit. I'm trying to open it, but it keeps going back to, okay, it's worked this time. Let me have a look. Hopefully it stays on this page. No, it's not. As you can see, it just keeps going back to the main homepage of Coinbase. So yeah, we're not going to really look at Coinbase. Let's go into CoinMarketCap. As you can see, guys, 16% up, and we can see here the trading volume has gone up by nearly 1,000% here, making it $554 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Curve DAO. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and a lot of people are investing into it. And we are also going to see a lot of people selling it, taking out their profits as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and we're going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Curve DAO at 67 cents. However, it is trading at a slightly lower rate at 58 cents, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. And the main reason for that is the major drop that took place about, let's say, 2 weeks ago, where it literally the market crashed and Bitcoin has dropped down to $16,000, nearly hitting 15k. So yeah, that has caused a major drop and a major, obviously, loss for a lot of people. And again, as you can see, Curve DAO hasn't recovered. In fact, it has gotten worse over the last week and so on. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. I am not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what we should expect over the next couple of hours. So I'm talking about over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall minimal increase in value on Curve DAO, potentially hitting around 65 to, yeah, let's keep it at 65 cents. And again, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting green candles. Of course not. We are going to have red candles in between. We can already see the red candles coming into action. As you can see, over the last 2 hours, we have been seeing red candles. So yes, again, it's not going to change. As I keep mentioning, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase, this crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same here applies to Curve DAO. I am expecting it to drop back down in value, down below the 55 cents target, before it starts to pick back up in value, hitting green candles over the next, let's say, 7, 8, 9 hours, where it's going to hit green candles and potentially hit around 65 cents is what my predictions are. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, we've got the blue and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. However, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning it is not realistic. And the only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. I'm not expecting any major increases from Curve DAO over the coming hours. In fact, coming days, sorry, not hours. In fact, what I'm expecting is for it to drop back down to around the 45 to 50 cents target towards the end of this week and early next week. So yes, an overall decrease in value is what my predictions are as of right now from Curve DAO over the coming days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, now we are looking much more realistic. We're not looking as steep as the previous two charts. In fact, we got the orange line looking a little bit bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the blue line looking positive, heading towards the positive direction. So in fact, we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect from Curve DAO over the coming months and weeks. So late December, early January, I'm expecting it to more or less fluctuate around the 60 cents target, 60 to 65 cents target. And again, yes, that means going into 2023 as well. And these are my predictions as of right now. So there's no crashes involved, there's no major price pumps, bull runs involved, and anything like that that does take place can have a major impact on the value, not just on Curve DAO, but the whole crypto market in general. But obviously, these things are not predicted. However, if I am predicting such thing or such thing do come into effect, that one I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, guys, we are trading in the red zone at the moment, and we are in the lowest part of the red zone. So for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least $1.88, which we are not even close to. We're going to have to go through approximately a 300 to 400% increase for us to hit that target, which I'm not expecting from Curve DAO anytime soon. So more or less, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for most of this year and potentially half of next year. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, heading towards the green zone, we should be good to go. But for now anyway, we are stuck in the red zone. So these are my takes and my predictions on Curve DAO. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys predict this crypto to hit in 2022. Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And especially that I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto. A lot of people have been, saying it's a scam, it's a pump and dump token, so on and so on. So let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Curve DAO token video. And yeah, that is pretty much it. On that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to focus on this channel that I haven't covered, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.